I have removed all the trims in the trunk. I found this rubber grommet, but it's a bit too far, even though the wiring is quite long. So I found another rubber grommet inside here, if you can see. So in order to access that rubber grommet, I have to remove this cover. In order to remove this cover, I have to remove this plastic trim first. So I have already removed 1, 2 of the clips. So there's 4 clips in total. I'll remove them and I'll get back. Next step, removing this rubber trim, which I already pull out. It's very easy, you just pull straight out. And after that we have to remove this plastic trim. So now what we have to do is actually put it straight up. So there is actually, I think, if not mistaken, 4 metal clips on top. So be careful when you yank them upwards. So straight up. So no other motions, just straight up, so you can remove this plastic trim. So I'll remove it. So as you can see, this clip has already off, but this clip is stuck inside. I think the previous owner also removed the trim before, so this clip is stuck inside, and he has already lost one of the clip here, and this clip, last clip, is perfectly out. So without risking furthermore, I'm not going to remove the whole piece. Hopefully I'll be able to work with that. I managed to yank out that piece, and I removed one of the Torx bolt here. It's a T25, just enough to remove this trim, and now I finally have access to the rubber grommet. I'm probably gonna cut a hole in it and then seal it back up with the silicone, just so, oh, I actually don't have to. Maybe I'll try to manage without cutting it up, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, time to wrap the wire down. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. One side goes into this, which is from the car, and another side just hooks into the exhaust valve. Let's see, sorry, where is it? Fuck. Here. This one. Okay, it's plugged in. I'm just gonna zip tie it properly here, and I'll be right back. After tucking it in, this is the result. So I'm just gonna seal this gap with the glue or the sealants, and that's it. I'm gonna put everything back and route it to the trunk, and job finished. Testing time to see if the remote actually works. So I believe this is the closed valve, open valve, closed valve, Open valve. Cool, it works. I will set it to factory setting for now, which is actually still open valve until it heats up. So it's now in factory setting, and soon I believe the valve will close after it's warm up. After it warms out, the valve still remains open. So I closed it now. Open, close. Alright, back to factory. Cheers, it works. If you guys like the content, press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.